Hey guys, it's Drew Cook here, back with another DeFi tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up an Ethereum arbitrage trading bot that I've created using Claude Code. This bot is essentially a smart contract that will monitor the ERC20 network and the Uniswap mempools, some of the largest market cap coins, in order to find profitable arbitrage opportunities. What this means is when the bot spots a favorable price difference between two decentralized exchanges, it will automatically perform a trade and attempt to extract the MEV and make a small profit. If you like these types of videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and now let's dive into the tutorial. So before starting, make sure you have a wallet browser extension. I'm using MetaMask for this tutorial, but you can also use Trust Wallet or Phantom Wallet if you want. You can also use your MetaMask's mobile wallet app through the embedded browser that is built into the app. Okay, so first we'll need to head over to solidityide.org. This is a website made for developers to code, build, and deploy smart contracts on the Ethereum network. And we're going to use this site to deploy the bot that I created using Claude. Okay, so once the site is fully loaded, just click on New File right here and create your bot file. I'm going to name mine bot.sol. Once you've created your bot file, head over to the description and I've provided a link to the bot's source code. Just copy and paste the bot's source code into the code editor, and once you've done that, head over to the compile tab. Now, just make sure the version of Solidity that is selected matches our bot's code. So as you can see, we're using 0.8.30, so we'll just make sure 0.8.30 is selected. Everything looks good. Now press compile to compile the bot. Nice, the bot's contract successfully compiled. So the next step is to head over to the deploy tab. In the deploy section, make sure your wallet is connected on the Ethereum mainnet. Then click the deploy button. So here we'll need to pay a small gas fee to deploy the contract onto the network. As you can see, it's only around 30 cents, so it's not too bad. So we'll press confirm. Okay, great. Our smart contract has been deployed. We can check it by clicking the Etherscan link to verify that it has been deployed and that we are the creator of the contract. As you can see, the contract is deployed. All right, let's go back to Solidity IDE, and the next step is to fund our bot with some liquidity. So I will click this to copy my contract address, and I'm going to head over to MetaMask. For this demonstration, I'm going to send 1 Ethereum to my bot. I recommend using at least 1 Ethereum to make sure your bot has enough liquidity at all times, but I typically use between 1 and 2 ETH. Remember, the more ETH you put into your bot, the more profitable arbitrage opportunities it will be able to find. Alright, great. As we can see, the transaction is now complete. Now we can click the Get Liquidity Balance button right here to check if the liquidity has indeed been added to our bot. Great, we have 1 Ethereum in our bot's balance. Now let's start the bot with the Start Bot button. So we'll pay this gas fee once more and click Confirm. Alright, transaction complete. So as you can see, the bot has started now. So we'll wait for a couple trades to get complete. Okay, yeah, it has began trading. So I'm gonna let my bot run for a full 24 hours and it'll be interesting to see what happens. Alright, see you then. Alright guys, it's been a full 24 hours, so let's click the Get Liquidity Balance button again and check how much profit the bot made. Okay, wow. As you can see, the bot made just over 0.6 ETH in profit. So that's over $1,000 in 24 hours. That's pretty great. I've had some weeks where I've made over 20 Ethereum. The profits will fluctuate week to week, but should remain pretty constant. Now we can stop the bot from performing trades by clicking the Stop Bot button. And then we will be able to withdraw. Click Confirm. And now we can click the withdraw button to withdraw the liquidity back into our wallet. Alright, let's click confirm. And now we should see the bot's balance return to our wallet in just a few seconds. Nice, the bot's balance is now in our wallet. So that's basically the complete end-to-end workflow. If you need any kind of help, you can contact me on Telegram. I also included a small setup guide for you to follow in the description as well. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Peace.